Hey guys, we're gonna be playing this. Well, never mind. I'm gonna be on Minecraft, and today I'm gonna become a pirate. I'm not just gonna sail to different places. I think that's kind of boring for the whole video. Come back. I'm gonna steal, and I'm just gonna steal and drive. So, okay. Hold on. Back to the game. Okay, so thank you. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna start stealing right now. I've played this once or twice. I haven't actually got a really good look at it. But I have got to play it. So it says over when I played this, it said to go over here and you could be stealing. And Brookie, stop. And
hey guys, my name's Brooke.
So yeah, we're gonna steal. Where should we steal at? Right click the glowstone corner, then right click here. Okay, so actually, I don't think I'm gonna steal today. I kind of want to explore this land. I know I have once or twice. I'm just gonna actually explore and see what cool stuff they have. I've heard they have really cool stuff. Okay, this looks cool. I just found something cool. See, I think I'm gonna get lucky and I'm just gonna find a bunch of cool stuff. I found a few cool stuff, a few cool things last time I played, but not as much as I think I am going to this time. Before I go on, I know there's people playing, so I'm just gonna say hello to everybody. Oh, hello to everybody. Yeah, I'm gonna say hello. See if I get any response. See, thank you. Okay. I think I'm done sending little messages. So now I am going to explore some more. Well, you know how pirates don't exist anymore. I am not actually a pirate. I'm becoming a pirate. I didn't used to be a pirate. I'm just becoming a pirate for the day on here. So, wilderness. Head off in any direction for wilderness. Untouched lands. Leave the spawn radius for untouched lands. Close to spawn is wasteland. Okay, I actually never been this way. So I'm hoping. So this is the same thing. So I'm hoping. Oh, this doesn't say the same thing. Use the train station behind you to travel to new lands behind me. So I shouldn't be going off this way. So that sounds great. Use the so, is this the train station? I'm hoping this is the train station. So, I want in. I'll show you. I played this and I tried breaking stuff. I'll show you. Won't work. You don't have God Dead's permission to build here. I guess that's the guy who built this. Whoever that guy is, thank you. Wilderness out of Okay, so we just read that. There's so many of the same signs. Okay, so this looks mysterious. Warp info. This building will tell you how to travel around. Warp and quick warp to the end. This cost. Oh, okay, then it costs stuff. I don't think I should be buying anything or really doing any of that. What else should we do? It's not actually that much. I don't know what just killed me, but well, hurt me. But yeah, I'm just gonna explore a little bit more. There's not much things over here. So, see, something keeps hurting me. I think I'm jumping off high places, and that's really bad. Not bad, but like, not good for your Minecraft guy. So, what if I break this, then just... No, it won't let me break. Okay, there. So, I'm in this little area, and I really want in. I can't get in. What's in here? Why can't I open the door? Okay, well, I guess I can't open the door. That stinks. Yeah, that stinks. But, what's in here? See, it won't let me. But, let's go in window. And I just left. I want to explore, but I can't find a great place to explore at. Last time I played, I teleported to this land. But I don't know how I got there. I was hoping to show you guys. But if I don't get to show you, I think that's okay. I'm gonna head back to the ship and we could explore that. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Can we break the dirt at least? It won't let me break anything. If I even find my way to the ship, because I'm thinking, yeah, but maybe up this way? I think it was past this island. I'm looking for water, pure water. And I don't want to die too. If I die, actually, should I kill myself? Hold on. First, I kind of want to see that. I think I'm just going to / kill myself. So, / let's see. KILL. Let's go return. You do not have access to that command. Okay. Well, that stinks. I cannot kill myself. I guess I'm just going to have to take the long way. Because I'll respawn there, I know that. I set my spawn point off video before the video started. Yeah, this is the way. This is the way. Back where I want to go. What I like? Well, I never thought this would be that cool with the entryway and all that. But actually, it's kind of cool. So I'm gonna get on. I knew this was the way. I'm gonna get on the ship. Before I get on that ship, actually, I might just get on that ship. I don't think I want to explore, so let's go down. Could just kill myself in the water. Well, I just wasted some of that time, but that's fine with me. Let's explore it first, because I only have a few minutes left on my video. Oh yeah, I really want to show you guys about this. I know those are so cool. I want to do that again. When I was here, that was one of the really cool things that was one of the really cool things that was there. I'll be right back, guys. I need to I don't know. I'm just gonna get up here and okay, sailing master, are you? Because I'll be right back. Okay, super fast. So let's go up. So I think this is the end. I just want to say, please subscribe and I'll make a sequel to all the really good ones if I get a lot of likes. Bye guys.